The massive red, venomous snake was looking right at me. I held my breath. I didn't move an inch. I was petrified. I remember thinking, why did I risk my life for this cup of tea? I thought my life was about to come to a very sudden and painful end. The snake was flicking his tongue at me. He rattled his tail. That's when he jumped. When I woke up, I was surrounded by an African tribe. They were playing strange music like I had never heard before. A few of them were taking care of me. Finally, the tribe's shaman gave me the cup of tea that would change my life forever. Hi, I'm Liz Swan Miller. I'm a naturopath and a best-selling Amazon author that has helped over 14,793 women and men reclaim their